Good morning, writers. Today we're going to learn about a special tool that good writers use to help them when they're sounding out words. This is called an alphabet chart. Good writers use an alphabet chart if they're talking like a turtle and they don't know what letter makes the sound that they hear. So let's say I want to write the word bat. The first thing I do is talk like a turtle. Bat. Bat. Wow, I hear lots of sounds in that word. The first sound I hear in bat is b, b, b. But I don't remember which letter makes the sound b, b. So I can use my alphabet chart. On the chart, there are letters and a picture to go with each letter. The picture is something that starts with that letter. So for A, I see an apple. I know that apple starts with the sound ah, so that means that apple starts with the letter A. A makes the sound ah. I also see a boat with the letter B. So I know that boat must begin with b, b. So to find the letter that makes the sound b, b, I would go through each letter on the chart and say the name of the picture I see. So for A, I see apple. Apple. That word does not start with b, b. So I know that I don't need to write an A. The next one is a boat with B. B, b, boat. Boat starts with b, b, which is the sound I'm looking for. So I know that I need to write a B. The word bat has b, b as its first sound, so I will write a B to start. The next sound I hear in bat is ba. Oh my goodness, when I was looking at my alphabet chart, I just found a picture of something that started with the sound ah. Do you remember what that was? Yes, the apple started with the sound ah. So I know A makes the sound ah, and I can write that next. Great job so far. Now, the last sound I hear in bat is t, t, t. So I'm going to go through each picture and say what it is to see if any of those start with t, t. Okay, here I go. I already did apple and boat, so I know it's not those. Cat. Does cat start with t, t? No, I can move on to the next one. Dog. Does dog start with t, t? No, I can move on. Elephant. Does elephant start with t, t? No, I can move on. Let's do the next one together. I see a fox. Does fox start with t, t? No, you're right, it doesn't, so we can move on. Gate. Does gate start with t, t? Nope, let's keep going. How about hammer? Does hammer start with t, t? No, it doesn't. Let's keep going. Okay, you do this one all by yourself. What do you see? Yes, an igloo. Does igloo start with t, t? No, I don't hear that sound. Let's keep going. What do you see for J? Yes, a jar. Jar does not begin with t, t. It starts with j, j. So let's keep going. How about key? Does key start with t, t, t? No. Let's keep going. Leaf. Does leaf start with t, t? No. It starts with l. Let's keep going. Mitten. Does mitten start with t, t? No, I do hear a t, t in mitten, but it's not the first sound I hear, so that's not the letter we need. How about net? Nope, once again, net or t, t is not the first sound I hear in net, so that's not the one we need. How about octopus? No, octopus starts with ah. Your turn. What do you see next? Does pumpkin start with t, t? No, let's keep going. What do you see next? You're right. Queen starts with k, k, not t, t. Robot. Does robot start with t, t? Nope, we better keep going. We have not found our letter yet. Sun. Does sun start with t, t, t? Nope, it's not this one. Let's see if we can find it. Table. Does table start with t, t? Yes, it does. Wow, we found our letter. It's what letter? T. Yes, the letter T makes the t, t sound, so we can go ahead and write that next. Oh my goodness, writers. We found all the letters that make up the sounds in bat. B, b is B, A is A, T, T is T, bat. We did it. Wow, great job. So now that we know how to use an alphabet chart for writing, today, when you're writing about the tree in the ancient forest, you can use this alphabet chart to help you if you don't know the letter that makes the sound you hear. Great job, writers! Choose one animal from the tree in the ancient forest. Draw a picture of the animal and write a sentence about how it gets its food from the tree. Don't forget to use your alphabet chart as you sound out words. Good luck, writers! Make sure to text a picture or video to your teacher.